If your holiday travels have you feeling like the last cookie in the jar, fear not. We've got the recipe for connection and joy. The holidays are usually about togetherness and joy, but traveling far from home can sometimes bring loneliness. Here's how you can beat those holiday blues. First, immerse yourself in local traditions. Research holiday markets, festivals or community dinners. Join the fun and feel the warmth of the local culture. Volunteering can also connect you to the community while spreading cheer. Next, choose accommodations that foster connections. On platforms like Llivo, hosts often provide more than just a bed. They offer shared spaces and personalized holiday experiences, creating a welcoming environment. Don't forget technology. Schedule video calls with family, share your experiences on social media, or even host a virtual holiday party. Staying connected is easier than ever. Join travel communities. Look for holiday-themed meetups or use apps like Meetup and Couchsurfing to find fellow travelers. You're never truly alone when you have a community. Create your own traditions. Cook a festive meal, start a gratitude journal, or document your journey. These personal rituals can make the season special. Lastly, give back. Volunteering with local charities or engaging in meaningful work can fill your heart with joy and purpose. Ready to make your holiday travels more enriching? Subscribe for more travel tips and explore welcoming stays on Llivo today.